Well, here it is. It's a Sunday afternoon. It's on the cusp. It's on the cusp. We'll say it's midday. I'll say it's midday. You just listen. Yeah, I gave the Corona, the bike I'm on now, the clean up it deserved. Weeks ago, and then went to adjust the chain. The chain adjuster was like welded on. It was, I'd never known anything like it. So I had to use my MAP gas and hammering and banging and more blowtorch MAP gas and Christ knows what else, and eventually it came free, which was very scary at the time, being that I didn't know what could be happening. If it had snapped off, I'd have had to drill it out and re-thread it and stuff, and I definitely wasn't looking forward to that. And if it had been that bad, I'd have had to possibly get a new swing arm, or at least take the swing arm off and take it to someone to get it done. So I thought I'd bring it out and have a little play at the wrong time of day, because there's usually quite a bit of traffic out. But yeah, give it a whirl. Make sure the new bearings that I put in the wheel. Have a look at the previous video. It's a long video, but it shows the saga I went through. Which was rather long-winded. I should have been in the shed a couple of hours, and I think I was in there in about 5 hours in total. Oh my god, look, 30 mile an hour. Fuck me. It's aggravating, isn't it? Back brake don't seem to be particularly happy. Probably left some grease on that, ruined all them, all the brake pads. But yes, it was quite the saga yesterday. So I thought, two reasons to come out. One, to test everything, make sure the back hub and everything aren't getting too bloody hot, in case I've done something wrong on the back end, and to blow off a bit of steam. But I don't think the traffic's going to let me blow off some steam. This is what you come up against, people who can't overtake cyclists. Amazing. Amazing. Most of the time you just keep your flow, go out wide, keep your flow. But no, they've got to brake first, think later. It's all very strange. A concept I don't really understand. It doesn't feel like I've got any undue wobble on the back end. Or any binding as such. Which is good news. I'll stop in a lay-by in a minute and have a proper look. So I can cook up my back brake. Oh, there you go. Now it's got some life. Just wanted using. Bound to have got something on it. Bit of grease or shite. Because I did get into a mess. I have this sort of head that doesn't work properly, and it's always in a rush, even though I've got plenty of time. And ultimately, if I didn't get the bike done yesterday, I could have finished it off today, or during the evenings. I've got other bikes I can use to get to and fro work and stuff, but my head just takes over and I go into sort of panic / rush mode, and everything gets a bit haphazard, which makes everything actually take twice as long. Some nice houses round here. And some not so nice houses. Oh, nice garage though. I'll have that. Nice bit of stone. I'll just pull in here and have a quick butcher's. A bit cheeky on a junction. Oh, I know. Well, nothing's glowing red and there's no smell of burning, so let's... Anyway, there you go, the bike's working, it's running. Yesterday, although a long day, with a lot of things that weren't in my favour, including me, I wasn't in my favour either. It was a success. Bike's on the road, bearings in wheel, chain adjusted, spotlessly clean. Well, for me, spotlessly clean. And running and working as it should, in fact. So there you go, just a little short video of me out and about on my recently put right Corona. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want. There'll be more of this shit, I'll tell you that. And I'll catch you again. Ta-ra.